If you use Telegram and want to check your stars, this video will walk you through the quickest way to find them. Stars in Telegram are useful for purchases, support, and other in-app sheet features, so knowing where to view them can save you time anytime you need to check your balance. Before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple app guides just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon. This is the three-line menu that opens up your main Telegram options. When the menu appears, scroll through the list and tap Settings. This is where Telegram keeps your account preferences, app controls, and other important features. Inside Settings, scroll all the way down until you find My Stars. Tap on My Stars and that will take you directly to your stars page where you can view your current balance and related details. If you are looking for where Telegram stores your stars, that's the exact path you need to follow. It only takes a few taps, and once you know where to go, it becomes really easy to check anytime you want. So just remember, menu icon, settings, and then My Stars at the bottom. If this video saved you some time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials, helpful app tips, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.